Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel MPPSC Online Classes. This is the another lecture of our series River System of India, in which we are going to discuss about Peninsular River System of India, in which we are discussing west flowing river. We have discussed the biggest west flowing river, that is Narmada River. Now we will discuss the another river which is just parallel to the Narmada River, flowing in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and then to Gujarat, parallel to the Narmada River, that is River Tapti. River Tapti is also called the River Tapi, and it is also called as the twin of Narmada. Okay, these are the two other names. The factual thing we have to learn about this river is that it is the second largest of all the west flowing river. इसके ओरिजिन की बात करते हैं अगर हम, तो ये रिवर ओरिजिनेट होती है मध्य प्रदेश के ग्वालीगढ़ रेंज ऑफ मुल्ताई ऑफ बैतूल से ओरिजिनेट होती है। वहाँ से ये किसके साउथ टू सतपुड़ा रेंज, ये अगर हमारी सतपुड़ा रेंज है उसके साउथ में ये तापी रिवर फ्लो कर रही है और उसके जस्ट नॉर्थ में ये नर्मदा रिवर फ्लो कर रही है। तापी रिवर इज़ जस्ट हाफ ऑफ द साइज ऑफ द नर्मदा रिवर, अराउंड 710 किलोमीटर ऑफ लेंथ। Okay, talking about the next thing of the Tapi River, as we have talked about that its basin extend in the three states MP, Maharashtra and Gujarat. It finally drains into Gulf of Khambat, where all the other rivers, peninsular rivers, west flowing rivers drain. For example, Narmada drains in Gulf of Khambat, now Tapi. Now the next river we will study like Mahi, Sabarmati. These also will drain into Gulf of Khambat. Now talking about the important tributaries of the Tapi river. These are, first is the left bank tributary and other is the right bank tributary. Left bank tributaries are Panjara, Bori, Girna and Purna, and right bank tributaries are Suki, Gomai, Arunavati and Anir. Talking about the next, major projects on this river are, two are in Maharashtra, those are one in Jalgaon, that is Hatnur Dam, and other is in Nasik, which is on the river Girna, which is the tributary of the river Tapi. Other two, Kakarapur and Ukai, are in Gujarat. Okay, this is about the river Tapi. Now we will deal with the another peninsular river, that is river Mahi. Mahi river is also known as river Mahi Sagar. Why it is known as river Mahi Sagar? Because on the basis of its name. ओरिजिन की बात करें इस रिवर की, तो ये ओरिजिनेट होती है विंध्यन रेंज के नदन स्लोप से। कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होती है? तो ये होती है हमारी धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट से ओरिजिनेट होती है। ओके, धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट से ये रिवर हमारी ओरिजिनेट होती है और वहाँ से ये नॉर्थवर्ड फ्लो करती है कुछ इस तरीके से, और फिर राजस्थान से होते हुए ये गुजरात में फ़्लो करती है और फाइनली गल्फ़ ऑफ खम्बाट में जाकर ये ड्रेन कर जाती है इनटू अरेबियन सी। टॉकिंग अबाउट इट्स लेंथ इज़ 583 किलोमीटर। ओके, इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ दिस रिवर आर सोम, अनास, पनाम, Goma and Mesari. Some of the dams present on this river are, one dam which is present in Banswara of Rajasthan is Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam, and other is the Kadamba Dam in Gujarat and Wanakburi Dam in Gujarat. The city of Vadodara is situated on this river. This is the important point. The other most important point about the Mahi river is that it is the only river, okay, it is the only river which crosses Tropic of Cancer twice, as it flows like this, and Tropic of Cancer goes through Madhya Pradesh. Therefore, it goes like this. Hence, it crosses Tropic of Cancer twice. That's why this river is important. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.